Hey there, welcome back. It's Kiki again. In the last video, we explored Excel's built-in sample scripts and saw how powerful automation can be. No worries if you missed it, this video stands on its own. But if you want to see where it all started, you can check that one out later. It gives a quick tour of what Excel can do right out of the box. Those sample scripts are great, but here is the catch. We still have to run them one by one. In this video, we will take it a step further, record and combine those steps into a single custom script that fits our workflow. We will use the same KR8 Pet Store export and teach Excel to handle the boring parts for us, no coding required. And as always, the sample file is linked in the description and pinned comment so you can follow along. Every month, we got new sales exports, and we have to do the same cleanup. What if Excel could just remember all those steps and do it with one click? When I first discovered this function, I saw so much potential. Let's start recording. Go to Automate tab, Record Actions. The recorder opens on the right, flashing red. Everything we do from this point will be tracked. We see two recording modes, Absolute and Relative. Absolute mode records exact cells and positions. Very precise, but breaks if table shifts. Relative mode records actions relative to a starting cell. We will use relative mode here. It's more flexible, and we are recording relative to A1. First, select all ranges. From Home tab, select Format as Table. Notice how every action is being tracked in real time in the Set panel. If we accidentally type something in the sheet, we can simply remove that step with the X icon. Let's continue. Click cell A1, go to View. Freeze Panels, freeze top row. Press Ctrl+A to select the table. Right-click, remove hyperlinks so everything is clean text. Update formatting next. Select the price and total revenue columns. Set number format with 2 decimals. Select the date column, set as short date. Select the whole table, change font to Arial. Then highlight blank cells. Since the last column notes can be empty, select the range A1 to I13 instead of the full table. Go to Condition Formatting, New Rules, choose Format only cells that contain as row type. Select blank in cell value. Pick a color, click OK. We will leave those blank cells highlighted. Their value varies each month. Select the table data, remove duplicates. Finally, select Date and Total Revenue columns, click Quick Analysis icon, choose the line chart. Alright, we have recorded the same workflow from the previous video. Let's stop the recorder, click Stop, and name the script KR8 Monthly Cleanup. Notice some steps from last video are not included in this recorded script, and that's on purpose. The Unhide All Rows and Columns script, this is a recording limitation. Unhide actions usually involve selecting the entire sheet or whole columns, and record scripts cannot translate that into a valid range unless we manually adjust the code. The Make a Subtable script, as we can work directly from our main table. The Make Dropdown script is not a recurring monthly task, so no need to automate. The Create a New Pivot Table script. While the recorded function can record inserting a pivot table, it cannot capture dragging fields into rows, columns, values, or filter areas. That's another limitation. We recorded using the January data. Now let's test it with the February export. Our recorded script shows up at the top and in Recent. Notice our February export starts from cell C4, not A1. So click on that cell, hit Run, and watch Excel handles everything in seconds. This is the power of recording your workflow. Do the work once, reuse it forever. Relative mode makes the script work even when the table moves, but it doesn't automatically expand if the table has more rows or columns. We only record it down to row 13, so if February has more data past that, the script won't touch them. That's another limitation of recording scripts. Honestly, when I first discovered record actions, I was so excited. I thought if I knew this function back when I worked at the firm, I would have mapped out the initial prep workflow for every client in the summer, and it would have saved me so much time during tax season. then I could have spent that time on what actually matters. Spotting issues, giving insights, reviewing task positions, not just cleaning spreadsheets. But after testing it more, I realized it has more limitations than I expected. Simple things like unhiding columns or saving a pivot layout don't record properly. And as someone who is not a coder, that really brought me back to reality. Still, we are not giving up yet. In the next video, we will bring AI into the process and test how far it can take us beyond those limits. So stay tuned. Even with its flaws, I still think Office Scripts is a great step forward, especially for people who don't touch VBA or macros. Office Scripts runs in the cloud, works on both web and desktop, and is way easier to share. If you find this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check the playlist below for more Excel and AI automation tips.